Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sayleana, and I am currently a student at American Public University. I'm studying the management of fish and wildlife habitats through biological conservation efforts. Today, I would like to discuss with you the history, importance, and value of wetlands and how wetland valuation relates to conservation biology. To begin, let's talk about the history. In the early 1600s, before the settlement of Europeans into North America, it was estimated that there was approximately 221 million acres of wetland in the United States, not including Alaska or Hawaii. By 1980, only 103 million acres remained. Today, we still see a loss of upwards of 80,000 acres of wetland per year. This loss can be attributed to human actions such as drainage, deposition of fill materials, levees, and air and water pollutants caused by societal growth. Loss can also be attributed to natural threats such as erosion, subsidence, drought, sea level rise, and climate change. Society long thought that wetlands were wastelands of the ecosystems. We now realize that this is not the case, and wetlands are recognized as a functional and necessary feature of our landscape. Wetlands act as a water storage system to help slow the water's potential for erosion and recharges groundwater systems that help to serve residential areas. Wetlands also act as water filtration units that allow sediment to settle to the floor of the wetland, and dissolved solids can get absorbed into the plant roots. Additionally, wetlands are a hub of biological diversity due to their natural, nutrient-rich environment. Wetlands have both direct and indirect or perceived value. Direct values of wetlands are approximated at about $14 million annually, and this includes values such as food, fodder, fuel, and water. Water can be used for domestic uses, irrigation, and industrial purposes. Indirect values are more of a personal attribution of the valuation of wetlands, but can be perceived as recreational uses for birdwatching, boating, hunting, fishing, ecotourism, and biodiversity. Finally, wetland values are important to conservation biology because wetlands provide values that no other ecosystem can. Wetlands are home to many different species of plants and animals, and they help to improve our water quality. They help to provide natural flood protection and erosion control, especially in coastal communities. Wetlands also provide natural infrastructure to help with climate change mitigation, as well as provide a high level of diversity in plant and animal species.